Hey, good morning from Rolling Country Outdoors. Scott here. Thanks for coming back and joining us this morning. We were going to get the garden planted. We stopped last night and picked up some vegetables, and we're putting in not a whole lot, but enough for us. We're actually going to be gone quite a bit this summer. We've got our 2-week trip to Nebraska, and then we got camping trips all summer. But we got cucumbers, we got watermelon, we got cantaloupe, we got 2 different types of tomatoes. Yeah, I think that's it. And then we're going to try to get some, I think, potatoes in, onions in, and then of course we got the strawberries, but they're doing really good. I'll show you those here in just a minute. But yeah, this morning we're going to be working on getting these in, so hang tight. Let's get set up. Let's roll. It's been raining, but the pond looks a lot better, and we got a cool down, so I don't know if all that stuff, that moss was out there, has dropped. I have treated it, so I don't know how much of it is me treating it and how much of it is the cooler weather and the treatment that I put on it. Well, I do want to get out there and treat those cattail, get rid of some of those. So that's on my list too. But we still have not seen any fish. And normally they would be up here spawning on the banks here, so I don't know if those otters that we got last year wiped us out or what, but we are not seeing any fish at all. We've got quite a bit of rain here lately, which we needed it. It was already getting dry. But the boys have been out here a couple times fishing and they haven't caught anything. So we had a couple of otters out here for a couple of weeks last year, and I don't know, they may have wiped us out. Here's where the garden's going in, and down here is the strawberries. They're doing really good. We moved these, they used to be down there and it was shaded quite a bit of time. We moved them up here and they love the sun. So these are our blueberries. They made it, we transplanted those. There's quite a bit of blueberries on there. They're not red either. But down here is where they were, and this is the original strawberry patch. I mean, they're doing good too. And dug a few of these up and gave them away to a couple of people that came over in Marketplace. And yeah, so it used to be, the garden used to be all the way down there, but these trees were shade, so we moved them. There's a nice looking strawberry right there. These plants are huge. They've done really good over here. There's actually stepping stones in there, but you can't see them. They're doing really good. All right, we got the official gardener out here. Well, maybe I should say official de-weeder.
Official what?
De-weeder.
Weed eater?
De-weeder. De-weeder.
Really?
She's here.
Oh, missed.
So everybody pretend you're working.
Missed. Got it. Okay, well, this
Well, let's just set them out.
I know, but I have to have this first. Did we get a pepper?
No, we did not. So we need to save space.
How about that? I have these.
And where do you want to put the?
This is why I always put pepper over here.
Where do you want to put the cucumbers? They're going to go down on the other end. The trellis down there.
Yes.
Well, that sure looks good right now, but man, that moss was pretty thick, and I've been treating it all spring. Looks good right now. Hopefully the aeration did some good. We put that in. What, 2 weeks ago we put the aeration in?
Yeah.
2 weeks ago. Where are you going to put this in? You want to put this back in the corner and let it grow this way? All right, first vegetable is in. Cantaloupe.
A huge rock.
You missed.
Oh, I missed. I was thinking about right here for the watermelon. Is it raining?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We gotta get this stuff in the ground
It's not
quick.
supposed to start till
No,
noon.
it's early. Coming early.
But this way, if it does spread out, because it's going to go everywhere. I thought these rocks.
Oh, but you can move the runners.
I know, but there's so many runners.
Yeah, but if you can do there, and then we'll just run it this way. That's what I was thinking. Instead of stepping on the plant, because here you got a chance to step on the plant. I say just put it in front of that rock.
Go around the blueberry.
Yeah, it says that spot by the rock could honestly look pretty cool with the vine splitting naturally over the edge. That's what I said. Alright, watermelon is in. How funny. ChatGPT read my mind.
There's the rain till noon.
I know, that's why I said we got to get the stuff
I
in.
told you to get up early. There's no sleeping in.
That hill that we cleaned the other day is starting to get green in it.
It's weeds.
Weeds, yeah.
Unless you go over there and spray.
No, we're good. We put these stakes in here to hold the tomato cages because these can get pretty big. It's supposed to rain for the next few days, so this is perfect time in getting these in the ground. Okay, I think that'll do it for now. We got to get some potatoes and some onions in too. I think we got to get a pepper plant too that we forgot. So a few more things, but I think this is a good enough start for today. You'll get some good rain next few days. That'll be good. But yeah, what we have is in, so that's good. I'm not sure what she's over there doing. Probably coming to tell us. Grass is really greening up. Looks good. Noted that down there a couple of times. There's down here to the left where it's a little bit lighter color. I'm gonna get the excavator in there. We're gonna turn all that soil over and then plant grass in there. Hopefully it looks like that. So that's what we're gonna do. Ann is over here waiting on me with the tractor. She wants to get a rock or something. I don't know what. We'll find out though. She's kind of looking serious over there. Huh? Yeah, well, just put it in there first. Once I got there. You want to roll it in there?
Watch your toes. You're gonna have to go back a little. Yeah. That's fine. Let's stay.
So I think that's as far as we can go with the garden now. I think that's, what is that? Squash. That's a squash. And then we got tomatoes there. And then one of these is watermelon, I think. And then cantaloupe. Yeah. And then we got a cantaloupe over there. So Guess what my wife is doing now? There was a plant in the front flower bed that was missing this morning, and I went and told her that somebody has stolen one of our bushes. You know what she said?
Ah!
No, I just transplanted it.
What?
She is the transplant queen after all.
Hey, do you know how much money I've saved?
Oh, really?
Transplanting?
How much? You have no idea.
You didn't have to spend a dime on plants.
Just on labor, manual labor.
You don't even spend a dime on that because I'm free.
I don't know about that.
Oh, yeah? I'm very free.
This is the overspill for the pond or lake that's actually considered because there's water coming in and water going out. This is the overflow.
That I cleaned up. Was it last year or the year before?
Beautiful.
And it was so pretty when I cleaned it up. See, all these pokey things is what we need to spray right here. When I was cleaning up, there was a few little fishes in here.
No, well.
Yeah.
They get moved on downstream, I guess.
What are you going to carry?
Shovel. I'll carry the shovel.
That's so nice of you.
Uh-huh.
I feel the love.
You know how handy I am.
I feel the love.
Uh-huh. That heavy old bush. That is the spillway. That white pipe is the spillway for the gutters and that crawl space pump that we put in, so that water comes out of there, we think. Thinking about putting this grass here in this corner here. What's that grass called?
I don't know, this is whatever's around the pool.
Yeah. Yeah, Dr. Haran would not be impressed.
But see, this is a perfect time to dig since it's all wet.
Yeah.
Because it's rocky. Very rocky.
I just dug up once and now we put the rock back in the hole.
What is that, a root or rock? See it?
Uh-huh. Yeah, I think that's deep enough.
Yeah, let me get that weed out though. More weed growing. Things.
Hopefully that's just not grass down there. That's actually part of the plant.
That?
No, that down there, the green.
Oh.
Hopefully it's part of the plant.
Yeah, it is right here.
Oh, okay. Pop up overnight.
They do. Crazy. Are those your old boots?
Oh.
Because remember, I had them under warranty and I got you 2 more.
Sweet Bay Farms Nursery and Garden Center. Pick up some flowers for the flower beds. Everybody's accounted for. Oh, look at our new shirts. Move your hair. You don't like them?
Huh?
Ask if they like them. Our new shirts. Oh, we need to get some puppy shirts. Rolling Country Outdoors puppy shirts.
I think it's what, yeah, these are what I like, but they're only.
Think we have enough?
Huh?
Think we have enough?
I think you have too much.
Hey, Scott Dan here, Rolling Country Outdoors. We're out. We went and picked up some plants to plant out here in front of the house. And so we're out here. I think we're just going to place them in place and then plant them when it's not raining. So it's something around there. But now's a good time to get this stuff out here. So now it's supposed to rain the next few days. So we're going to try to get this stuff out where it is. As you can see, it's raining out here today again, so it's supposed to rain for the next few days. The overflow is moving there. Oh, we're trying to get the garden finished up. We picked up some lettuce last night and what else? Onions and pepper plant.
Potatoes.
And potatoes. The ground. There we go. Onion drain on it. I think that's all we have to put in. Now it can rain as much as it wants. Oh, we gotta put the potatoes in, but we gotta cut those and let them dry, and we'll put those in the middle here. All right, let's get out of here. Okay, garden is completely in now. Everything's marked. We got some straw in there, as you can see. And we'll just wait for things to grow. The strawberries are doing great. They've actually produced a lot. I think she's made 8 jars of homemade strawberry jelly already. So we got the cucumbers over here. We got this lettuce down here. And I think that's watermelon or cantaloupe back there, I'm not sure. But yeah, so the garden's done. This is where we're gonna end this video. Thanks for watching. I'm glad we got the garden in for this summer, and we'll just watch it grow now. Tend to it. Anyway, thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. And if you don't mind, take the time to hit the like button, subscribe if you're not, and share our videos. We would appreciate it. We'll catch you on the next video. Y'all take care. Have a good evening.